Alright guys, it's GM Trading back with you with another video. I'm going to go through a quick way you can get funded trading in the stock market. This isn't like me promoting my own fund or anything like that. This is just a new way that I found out from other traders that actually use this, right? It's a new a new firm. I wouldn't say a prop. I don't know if it's a prop firm, but it's a new firm that basically gives you a funded account in order to trade stocks and options, right? And you've probably heard these future traders that trade, prop firms all the time. And I'm not big on futures. I don't trade futures. I'm not really, huge on, future prop firm trading because of all the skepticals that go on with it and how people are having trouble even getting payouts, and they spend all this money for for this evaluation to pass to get funded, and it's always like setting you up for failure. You're always getting, you're always failing the evaluation. And I found out about this, and it was super simple, super cheap. Obviously it's trading stocks, which I do, so it's obviously I'm gonna be big on that already, but super easy to pass the evaluation and all this good stuff. And I was, obviously I'm skeptical about, okay, well, all that sounds good, but people get paid out, right? Because that's the first thing that crosses your mind. Is like, am I gonna, if I'm gonna pay this funded account, am I gonna get paid out with, the $10,000 or the $50,000 that I'm getting funded, right? Do I get paid out? And I just found out there's actual proof of people getting paid out per week, right? There's a community of traders that are all, in on buying. They bought their own funded, and they show their payouts every day, and this is legitimate. It's 100% payout. Like, this isn't like, oh, you keep 20%, 30%. No, you keep 100% of whatever you make with this funded account. So it's easier to talk about it, but let me just show you real quick. So basically, right, you go to vanquishtrader.com. This is what it's called. So it's the first prop firm to offer options trading, and you can get funded today, whatever, right? Simple rules, fast payouts, prop trading done right. So I guess it is a prop firm. I didn't really know. I don't really know the lingo about it, but basically you come down and you can choose whatever you want, right? So you can choose either stocks or options or advanced options, right? But obviously those would be the more expensive ones. So I just stick to either stocks or options. If you just like to trade shares, this would be the one for you. It's probably easier too to pass the test, but options are a little bit difficult. So if you want to just choose stocks, right, your profit target on this is what it shows you the evaluation, right? So the stocks, if you get a $10,000 funded, your profit target is only $600, right? So all you gotta do is make $600, and you're immediately eligible to start getting paid out for however much you make on the $10,000 after this. You get 100% of that, right? So profit target 600. Your max drawdown is only 3%, right? So you can't lose 3%, where you basically like fail the test and you got to redo it. Not paying, you don't have to pay for it again. You just got to pay for the reset, and I think it's like 20, 30 bucks. I don't even remember, but it's like 20 bucks, and you pay for the reset, and you got to do it again, right? So you can't allow it to go down 3%. Your drawdown type is intraday trailing. I'm not really familiar with what that means, but trade consistency, it's got to be at least 30%. Consistency is calculated, so it's got to be 30%. So you got to win 30% of your trades at least. There's no trade limit, and there's no activation fee. It's simple, right? It's $99 a month. If you use my code here, it's 25% off. So, I mean, it'd be like 75 bucks a month. So basically, like owning a gym membership for $10,000, like you get $10,000 for owning a gym membership technically. But it's simple, right? And if you make money with this $600 or this $10,000, it's like you can literally pay for this subscription, and then keep whatever you make on top of that for just literally your money, right? If you do options, I think it's the same thing, right? $99 a month, same code or whatever. You can do even $50,000. If you want $50,000, you get it's $250 a month, which that's a little bit pricey, obviously. But I mean, if you are someone that's like, already kind of advanced in trading options and stuff, all you gotta do is get $5,000 to pass this funded, and can't lose more than 5%, and then you can start making money and literally keeping whatever the profits you make on this $50,000 account. If you can't make $250 a month with this $50,000 account after you pass, obviously, then it's like I wouldn't pay for that. But like literally would be paying, if you can make $250 minimum a month and withdrawing that, it's like, okay, it's already paying for your subscription. So obviously this is a little bit pricier than normal prop firms, but this is stocks and options, so it's super simple. It's easier And if you're already familiar with trading, like, I mean, obviously these are going to be a lot more expensive. I mean, you can get 150,000 for 750. I mean, that's crazy. I mean, I typically would just stick, if, personally, I would stick to either of those two. I'm in the $50,000 one now. I'm just doing the evaluation. I just started it today, actually. And I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to start kind of going through, and I'll do some trade, some recaps and stuff of what I did on, per day with this account. But, this is simple, right? $10,000 can go, you can make so much money with $10,000. You don't even need 50,000. I'll be honest, right? You don't need 50,000, but 10,000 is enough. I mean, it's only $100 a month, but obviously with the code, you get 75 a month. And it's simple. It's literally take on the challenge. It's simple. And it shows you here, the feature, right? There's, I guess, other prop firms, and then compared to Vanquish, right? It's a 10 trade evaluation. They don't do that over there. Stocks and funding, right? The only one that does stocks and funding, unlimited time, 100% profit share. That is unheard of. Normally, there's profit. You gotta share their percentage to the prop firm or what you make. This is 100%, right? Instant payouts. And let me just show you, and obviously you can trade it with your phone and stuff, but let me show you this. Let me show you. So I'll show you this real quick. So this is basically I guess for everyone that has it, they can, you can go into this Discord, and it shows you all these people that are posting, okay, I got paid out today. And there's actually a help room, you can ask questions to the Vanquish Discord person, and stuff like that. So it's super transparent, the payout fee. So this is pretty much the only thing that's important, right? You want to know if people are getting paid. So you can see this guy made $5,000 and he received a $5,000 payment. Okay, this dude is receiving 250. What else did he do? 500, 500, 500, 500. So he got a lot here. It's a bunch of small payouts while I growed my 2 PA. Thanks again, Vanquish. Amazing. 2,000, 3,000. Dude, these people are actually getting paid. So that's why this is what kind of caught me, because I was skeptical, probably just like you are. And I was like, bro, are people actually getting paid? Let's be honest. And little did I know, there's a whole bunch of people getting paid out. And I don't think these are bots. These are normal people, it looks like, unless you're just, obviously creating bots. But these are people that are getting paid out. It's crazy, using a funded account. So that's exactly what you can do to get funded. It's super simple. Literally you can cancel that. From what I've read, you can literally cancel it anytime if you don't, if it's been 2 months and you haven't been able to pass it. It's okay, just cancel it. Maybe wait a little bit and restart again when the markets are better, or whenever the markets get easier or something like that. But just all these people are getting paid out. It's why not try it, right? So if you guys want questions, just drop some comments. I'll try to answer everybody as quick as possible. I don't really get that many comments anyway, so it'd be easier to answer these questions. But why not try it? You don't have to use your hard-earned money and lose money in the markets just that's your money. You don't have to do that. You don't have to feel down when you lose money in the markets. It's okay, this is just other people's money, right? It's literally other people's money. You don't own anything if you lose money on the funded. You just basically are getting paid $99 a month, and you can cancel anytime. So worth a shot if you want to. If not, it's whatever. Trade your own money, doesn't matter. But I thought it was just super cool. I wanted to talk about it. So that's another video for you. I'll be back again with another video going over some trades. So peace.